Fedorov lost the draw to Drury. Derek Morris shoots. His stick explodes. Jarnov picks up a loose puck. He's taken down by Fedorov. Now Ovechkin's away. Along with Boyd Gordon. In comes Ovechkin. Gets around Drury. Gets around Drury.